credit card with a limit of $2,500 with no impact to your credit score means no credit check at all, and you can get it even if you have bad credit. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'm going to tell you how you can get this very important credit card with absolutely no credit check. Pre-qualification means they'll only do a soft credit pull. It will not impact your credit score, but how it's going to work, I'll tell you each and everything about it. And this is a massive opportunity for anyone who's looking to get a credit card right now, and especially unsecured credit card means that you don't have to put any deposit, and if you have bad credit, then this is a massive opportunity for you. And remember that I'm going to give you step-by-step guide in this video, including the review of this card, so make sure you stay with us till the end. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $25,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get that loan even if you have bad or worse credit. And if you have low income, then you'll be able to get that loan. Well, in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start the video with this massive opportunity, and this is from Arro. Well, Arro is a credit card that has been rebranded. It's been around for several years, and there are some really good perks of this credit card. But remember, this is a credit product. I'm not a financial advisor, as this is a disclaimer, and you need to do your own research before you apply of any of the credit products that you actually see on Credit Oaks or any other channel. So please remember this. Well, Arro says that learn, earn, and build credit. This is great, as I mentioned earlier, that this is a credit card for the people who are struggling with their credit score. Means if you have bad, worse, poor, or just fair credit and you want to build your credit, or even if you have no credit, then this is a massive opportunity. This is start now for free. How it's going to work, I'll tell you each and everything about it. Well, they've been highlighted in many huge news outlets like Los Angeles Times, CBS, Fortune, Yahoo Finance, Bankrate, and many. Well, they say that finally a credit card that puts you first, build credit, gain control, no surprises, starts from $300 and grow up to $2,500. Remember, $2,500, the max limit that you can get on this Arro credit card. You can actually earn 1% cash back on gas and groceries. This is amazing, and there is no hard credit checks and deposit. This is amazing. This is what I love about the credit cards like this, and it's a gem of a credit product for anyone who is struggling with their credit score and they simply don't want a hard credit check. Well, what it means and how it's going to work for you, let me just answer a couple of your questions. Well, what is the max credit limit? You can actually get $2,500. Do I qualify for an Arro card? Well, anyone can apply for the Arro card as long as you have a US citizenship, or you are a resident, you have social security number or ITIN number, you are over the age of 18, and you have a valid checking account in any US financial institution. You are good to go. Will they run a credit check? Well, Arro will perform a soft credit pull only to establish your baseline credit history. A soft credit pull does not impact your credit score, so please keep this in mind. Will applying for Arro credit card affect my credit score? No, applying for the Arro card will not impact your credit score at all. We do not perform a hard credit pull, so applying for an Arro card will not impact your credit score. Well, do I need certain credit score to apply? Nope, your credit score has no impact on Arro's approval process. Our model uses alternative data such as your income to assess eligibility. Means that you don't need your credit score at all in order to apply for this. They will only see that you have money coming into your account, or you have a source of income, or you have a job. They'll give you the card. Well, this is one of an opportunity that millions of you can avail right now, and if you're struggling with your credit score, then this is an amazing opportunity. How can I increase my credit limit? In the Arro app, members can start leveling up immediately to receive real-time credit limit increase. This is an amazing opportunity. In order to apply for this, I'm going to link it in the video's description. You can click on that link and apply. And remember that when you apply for this, there is no credit check at all, and if you appreciate our content, then don't forget to smash the like button. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $25,000 personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get that loan even if you have low income or bad credit. And this is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.